a private luxury wellness studio in one of the Australia's most prestigious CBD locations. Beautiful service, premium pricing, a genuinely world-class experience, and completely invisible on the Google AdWords. One campaign, wrong keywords, no proper ad copy, no conversion tracking, just money going out the door with almost nothing coming back. We came in, audited everything, rebuilt it from the ground up, and here is what happened. 63 confirmed conversions with $29,433 in terms of the tracked sales of 14.21 ROAS, and a cost per click that dropped from $3.22 down to $2.21. This is exactly how we did it. My name is Amy and I am from Softrix, a full-service digital marketing agency with 17 years of experience in Google AdWords, Meta Ads, SEO, and the web development, serving clients across the globe. In this video, I am going to walk you through one of our most recent client wins, a premium private head spa and wellness clinic based in a major Australian city CBD. I am not going to name the brand, but I am going to show you the exact process we did, the problems we found, what we fixed, and the results we have generated. If you run a wellness business, a beauty clinic, a spa, or any kind of premium service business, watch this video till the end because the mistakes this client was making are the same ones we see almost every single time. Let's get into it. First thing is, who is the client and what do they do? So first, a little context about the business. This is a premium private head spa experience based in a prestigious CBD location in Australia. Think luxury positioning. The business sits on the same streets as some of the world's most recognized luxury fashion and jewelry brands. Every session is a fully private experience. The entire space is reserved exclusively for one client at a time. No shared rooms, no waiting areas full of strangers, complete privacy, full relaxation, and a professional blow dry included with every booking. Pricing starts from $250 per session and goes up depending on the experience chosen. They also offer partner experiences, corporate packages, and gift vouchers, all available to book online. The service is genuinely premium. The location is world class. The reviews are 5-star, but the Google AdWords account, it was a complete mess. Second thing is what we found when we audited the account. When we did our initial audit, this is what we were looking at. The client was running a single campaign, just one for a business with multiple service tiers, multiple experience types, partner bookings, gift vouchers, and corporate packages. One campaign trying to do everything. The keywords were broad and unstructured. They were attracting traffic that had no intention of booking a premium spa experience. People searching for generic wellness terms, cheap massage services, or completely unrelated queries were clicking the ads and burning the budget. The ad copy had no clear message. There was nothing in the ad that communicated what made this business different. No mention of the private experience, no mention of the premium positioning, no urgency, no clear call to action, and there was no proper conversion tracking setup, which means the client had no idea which clicks were turning into bookings and which ones were just costing money. They were flying completely blind. The result was predictable: high cost, low returns, and a business owner who was close to giving up on Google AdWords entirely. Our strategy and what we built. Once we completed the audit, we made a clear plan. Here is exactly what we did. Step 1, we have restructured the entire campaign architecture. Instead of having one campaign trying to cover everything, we built separate campaigns for each service category: single experience, partner experience, gift voucher, structures, corporate packages, each one targeting right audience with the right message. Step 2. We rebuilt the keyword strategy from scratch. We removed all the broad terms that were attracting the wrong traffic. We focus entirely on high intent keywords, people actively looking for premium head spa services, private wellness appointments, luxury hair treatments in the CBD. We also added a strong negative keyword list to stop wasted spend immediately. Step 3. We rewrote all the ad copies. The new ads led with what made this business genuinely different: private, exclusive, premium, a full luxury experience, not just a head massage. We highlighted the same day availability, the 5-star reviews, the CBD location, and the blow dry included with every booking. Every single ad had a clear reason to click and a clear call to action. Step 4. We have set up the proper conversion tracking. We tracked the actual bookings, checkout completions, phone calls, so every cent of the ad spend was now connected to a real outcome. We could see exactly what was working and what was not working. Step 5. We have tested and optimized continuously. We ran the A/B tests on the ad copy. We have monitored the search terms reported weekly and expanded the negative keyword list. We adjusted bids based on the time of the day and day of the week because a premium spa has specific booking patterns that a smart bid strategy should reflect. So now in terms of the results, so now let's talk about the numbers. After auditing, rebuilding, testing, and optimizing, here is what the account produced. 63 confirmed conversions tracked directly through the Google AdWords account, 29,433 in terms of total sales revenue tracked through the online checkout and the booking correlations, 14.21 ROAS for every dollar spent on the Google AdWords. This business generated over $14 back in revenue, and the cost per click dropped from $3.22 down to $2.21, meaning we were reaching better, more qualified traffic and paying much less for every click than before. Better traffic, lower cost, higher returns. This is what a properly structured Google AdWords account looks like. So now why this works and what it means for your business. Here is a lesson from this case study. This client had a world-class service and a premium brand. The product was never the problem. The problem was that the Google AdWords account was not built to match the quality of the business it was representing. One generic campaign with weak keywords and unclear messaging will never perform for a premium service. It attracts the wrong people, waste budget, and make the business owner think Google AdWords simply don't work for them. It does work, but it has to be built correctly. If you are running a service business and your Google AdWords account are just not producing the kind of returns you know they should be, we want to look at your account. At Softrix, we have been doing this from the past 17 years. We know what a broken account looks like. We know how to fix it, and we have the results to back it up. Drop a comment below or call us to book a free Google AdWords account audit with our team. We will look at your account, show you exactly what is costing you the money, and give you a clear plan on how to fix it. Thank you for watching.